How to delete AliExpress account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete AliExpress account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for aliexpress.com. You will be led to the official webpage of AliExpress. Make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to be able to delete your account, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. You will then be redirected to your account settings page. Now, on the left side toolbar, you will see various options. Tap on the settings option you see there. Here in settings, under personal information, tap on the edit profile button. In the interface that you will be led to, on the right side of the box, you will see the option for deactivate account. Tap on that. Now, before deleting your account, make sure that the request to delete your account is final, since this cannot be undone. So if you are sure of deleting your account, then tap on the delete my account button there. You will then receive a verification code in the email that you entered while signing in to AliExpress account. So go ahead and enter the code and then tap on the verify button. If you have entered the correct code, you will be led to this type of interface. So when you tap on delete, make sure that all your personal data saved on AliExpress will be deleted and recovering your data will be nearly impossible. So now go ahead and tap on the delete button if you are sure of deleting your AliExpress account, and the process to delete your account will be started and your account will no longer be accessible. So this is how you can delete your AliExpress account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.